Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.15. Overall dimensions are controls. The pedestal overall dimensions have been entered. The overall dimensions are not used in the cost workup calculations. The overall dimensions are information that provide limits for both cost workup calculations and production control processes. They serve as reminders of the constraints the production planner must use to develop the best way to fabricate the fixture with both shop and site circumstances. The overall dimensions provide perspective of the conditions that must be met for packing, shipping, delivery, and site assembly. Then, production is planned for the most efficient method. Overall dimensions are not usually associated with a feature or component. This example 1.2.15 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.16.